Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It is Monday, the 28th of June, and this is the Charts of the Day video. Big day on Wall Street. Lots of stocks responded, even though the market exploded and imploded. It came back big time and ended up the highs for the day going away with a big gain. There's about 18 or 19 stocks I want to show you on a long side today. AIIO, which popped out of a base a couple days ago, continues. Is up another 20% today. And it looks like this one has legs to maybe get up towards the $10 range. This could double from here, so let's keep an eye on it. APPS, outstanding pattern. And again, every time I look at this chart, I love this company. I'm amazed that I didn't put a swing on it when it gapped up right there, because that's the perfect place when you see a big volume breakaway gap like that. Anyway, the stock consolidated for a month, and now here we are popping again. It was up $1.85 or almost 17% today. Trading 7.75 million shares. It looks to me like this stock has legs to even expand beyond here, although I thought there was a resistance here, and there is. We may get through it, and if we do, we could see the stock make a more substantial move. Yes. Excuse me. AZI, after popping about a month ago and pulling back hard, the stock's popping again. Today, it jumped from 171 to 350 and doubled. Backed off to 277. Still closed up 91 cents. We're trading at 92 cents after hours, up 50%. Very heavy volume of 45 million shares. I think the stock, if it does get through here, right above the level it's at, you might see another run at 7. Really. And one of our new swings, Blackberry, looking great coming out of wave fork wedge. It just going vertical. Looks to me like they want to run this one into the mid-teens. BLZE, unfortunately, did not put a swing on it, but it looks fantastic with a breakaway gap out of a 6-week consolidation and a strong run-up, and now up 5 days in a row. Today gaining another 40 cents or almost 3%. Not a big deal, but it's making new highs. More importantly, it's breaking out of a 4-year base pattern. It might very well make a run into the high teens here. BROADWIND, reversing. Not a lot of volume, but 304,000 shares. It's a thinly traded stock. It could scoot. Got a feeling we're going to see 590, maybe as much as 6.5 or 7. KOYA. This is a biotech I've been following for a couple of years. It finally broke out of a base today. Nice spike, 10%. Didn't look like a lot of volume, but it's a thinly traded stock at almost 300,000 shares. I think target 6.75, 7.5. Fuel Cell was one of our babies. It's a swing trade. It's done great the last 2 days on big volume. They had a big deal today. Stock was up 602 or 25%, 21 million shares. I think this is a decent chance to make it 40. How's that? We'll see. Corning Glassworks, or GLW, big spike today, 33 points, 15%. Although it is at the channel top, it's a go-go stock, that's for sure. And more importantly, GLWG, the ETF that I follow closely, is going vertical, 20 to 45 in the last 3 weeks. Very solid move. We may see an extension even into the 50s possible. Little NEOV swing trade popped and then pulled back, and now it's popping again. Had a nice day today, gaining 15%, 3.4 million. I believe this is a stock that can run to 315.20 and take that out, maybe get to 4.5 at some point. NBR with a big spike up, didn't close great, but it exploded from 287 to 492, finished back at 353. It was up 77 cents, which is 28%, and the volume was a hefty 96 million shares. It blew through the top of the channel, but it got to lateral price resistance and backed off. Let's keep an eye on this one for more upside potential. Former swing trade OUST broke out today, key breakaway gap, breakaway pop through the entire congestion range. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4. This is wave 5 starting. I think this stock could make a run at 70, folks. I'm not kidding. SDOT exploded a month ago, came down hard, but boy, this reverse. Big gain yesterday on Friday, and then today it's jumping, get this, 18 points, 84%. closing at the highest level we've seen in this stock in several months. There's a possibility it even goes further than that. Skyq in the oil sector, a little bit surprised because oil's coming down, but this stock doesn't care. It's gone from 110 to 414 and quadrupled in a week. I'm not saying buy it here. I'm saying the momentum is strong enough where it could blow and even get up to the 5-6 range. But careful. SLS came out of a consolidation flag of about a month. Boys, they've gone vertical. 3 days in a row up sharply, but 8 days in a row altogether. And a big run up towards the $16 range. My target. It's quite extended. I'd be careful up here, but the momentum is very strong. If you look at the long-term chart, you'll see a big base is developed. And it's coming up to test this area of resistance just ahead of where we are. Nice looking chart. UPC broke out today with a spike out of a base pattern with a breakaway gap. 722 to 1870. What a move. Way back though of the 10.5 after hours, up 759 on drug news. But this may be the beginning of a bigger move coming out of a base like that. Your target's going to be in the 20 24 range eventually, potentially. Long-term swing Viasat from a year ago, still in play and still looking good. They finally broke out of a wedge that had formed here. Coming off the trend line, spiking up 15 points to 24% and closing above resistance. The stock may very well make a run at 90 here. That's it for tonight. A look at some of the hot stocks at detectrader.com. Good night, everybody.